Hey guys, it's Catherine, and today I am going to be doing two things. I am going to be unboxing this skull panda I got from Stratford, and it's from Popmark, and I am going to be using this Korean Beauty lip gloss I got from Pure Soul in Stratford too. So first, before I unbox this, I hope you guys will like and subscribe please. Thank you. Okay, and so I'm gonna be unboxing this first. So I got the Paradox series, and look, and I can read out what statue I can get. I can get the Out of the Mud, the Jewel Case, Spin a Cocoon, Being a Butterfly, Diving In, Flying High, The Hold, The Bond, the External Echoes, the Internal Dialogue, the Astrometrical Balance, or the cynical Path. Or I can get the Secret. Okay, so first, I don't care what I get because they are cute. Okay, let's unbox it. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my god, it didn't open well, but I don't really care. Now, let's open this up. Oh, I got the astronomical balance, and I got this, and I also got this. Look at the card, so cute. To be honest, I really wanted this one. I really wanted the Secret, but I still like this one. Okay, y'all, so let's unbox. So cute. Okay, let me take these things out. Ooh, she looks so adorable. And I also got a car. Are you doing it happy? Okay, then I have to throw this in the bin because my mom hates messes. So let me put it in there. I don't know what this is, but I don't really want it. Or I guess, no, I don't really want it. I'm gonna put this away, but I'm not gonna put away the cup. I would rate this a 10 out of 10. Even though I didn't get the Secret, I'm still happy I got this one though. It is so cute too. This is why I love skull pandas. Okay, next up, I am gonna be trying this. It's this lip gloss, and this is what we got from this. And now I'm gonna be using this to try on my lips. I can just use my hand. And I'm gonna look in the mirror to see if it's cute or it's not. I'm gonna look in the mirror. Oh, no need. It actually looks really cool. You can even try it on. Yeah, that was just my mom, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a like, subscribe, and Skull Panda says so too. Rate this Skull Panda out from 1 to 10. Does it look cute or it doesn't look cute. Okay guys, bye!